Okay, so this is a short video that's going to demonstrate how to create a shared directory between a Windows host machine and a Kali Linux virtual machine on VirtualBox. So I'm going to be using this virtual machine right here, Kali Linux 2020.3. So once it's highlighted, go to Settings, comes up. We go to our shared folders. We're going to create a new shared folder. And as you can see, I already have mine here, so it's not really too big of a deal. But let's just go ahead and throw it in there real quick. So this folder directory is to our Windows host machine, and then you name it. I'm just going to name mine Kali Share. And if you want it read-only, then click on this. I don't want mine read-only. I want to be able to move files back and forth. I also want to auto-mount, so I don't have to worry about it every time. So I'll go ahead and click that. Then click OK. And now we have our new shared directory. This is the Windows path, and we're going to mount it. We have full access. We click OK. And now we're ready to start our Kali Linux machine. So go ahead and start it. Once your Kali Linux machine is loaded, you're going to want to go ahead and open up your command console, and you're going to want to type in a command to give permissions to the share directory. Otherwise, you won't be able to save files to the share. You'll get a permissions error type of message. And this is the command you're going to want to enter. What this is going to do is it's going to assign the user to that group, so that way you can access the folders. It needs to be assigned to that user, so you can modify those files. So click enter. It's going to ask for the password. Of course, in this case, it's just Kali, and you're done. Once this part here is done, now you've set your permissions. You can close your box, your console. And now we can try and save a folder. So I have this test_1 Python file, and we're going to go up here to this to the folder directory here. We can go ahead and click Open Folder, and then you can see it right here under Devices. This is our file share that's on our Windows machine. So we're going to go ahead and click that and open it, and you can just drop and drag your file right in there, and there it is. It's now there. Now if I go to my Windows directory. This is my Windows directory that's on my Windows desktop, and here it is, right here. This is the file I just put in here. So now I can go in here and I can grab it and do whatever I want to with it from my Windows machine. Likewise, if you had written a file on your Windows and your in the idle on Windows, you could then put it over here and bring it out from your Kali Linux machine and run it in Kali. So it gives you the ability to go back and forth. Very, very handy. Anyways, that's it. It's a very simple little instructional video, but I know that setting up your share folders can sometimes be a hassle, so I hope it was helpful.